Today we are looking at an actual chef's knife. Let's start by testing it on the BESS test medium. Oh my days, when will this give? $859 grams. This is shocking bad. Right, let's tape up them thumbs and get to work. Pow! A Sharpening 320 grit coarse stone. Flatten the stone ready for work. This coarse stone will get me a nice starting point fast. It sets the angle and apex up. Nice. Now we move to the 1000 grit Sharpening. This is where I really start to make that bevel nice and ready to cut. We are not finished yet. Here we go to the 5000 grit. The knife is sharp, but this gets the bevel really smoothed out. Oh, but we are not finished yet. 8000 grit. This bevel will be so buff, God himself wouldn't stand in its way. Onto the strop with a 12,000 honing compound loaded up on it. Lots of back and forth on this. Okay, back to the test. Pow! 2.9 grams on the test. That is one hell of an improvement. With zero effort, the paper parts weighs in the knife's presence. Damn, it is sharp. Look at that approving mush. Get back to the kitchen with ya. Thanks for watching.